Hey all, it's me, Lamar Champion, and these are my morning thoughts. I'm standing outside on the streets of Chicago. Why? Because I can. I had this thought this morning. Is everything delivered now? I mean, is everything delivered? It feels like with this whole Uber and Lyft thing that we've gotten to this situation where people are just like, I'm gonna deliver shit with my car. No matter what it is, I'm gonna deliver shit to people's houses with my own car. I don't think it's like a bad idea or nothing. I'm just saying, like, do you really want to have the conversation that goes like, oh, hey, what do you do? I'm an engineer and I drive for Geyser. What's Geyser? Oh, it's just a company that delivers 24-hour energy drinks at any place at any time. So you're saying person needs energy, but is too lazy to go up and get an energy drink? I guess. That's lazy, man. I guess they really do need some energy if they're too lazy to go get an energy drink. My neighbor's getting dinners delivered by like Outback Steakhouse and places that I don't even know delivered. I got another neighbor who uses Blue Apron because she's afraid to go to the grocery store. What if you don't want to go to church? You just get a preacher delivered to your house every week and then serve them energy drinks? Maybe you could have your kids homeschooled by Domino's. These are just morning thoughts by Lamar Champion.